Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an unusual holiday you had. You should say what holiday it was, who you were with, what you did, and explain why it was unusual. So, for a question like this, you can talk about any kind of holiday or any kind of vacation and at the same time explain why it was so different or why it was unusual from the rest of the holidays that you actually go for. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Holidays are generally meant to relax and rewind oneself and perform activities in one's comfort zone. However, today I would like to talk about a vacation in which I tried some out of the box activities which included undertaking jungle safari in Jim Corbett National Park in the state of Uttarakhand. Also, instead of using the word that was in the question, unusual, we have actually used a kind of synonym by saying out of the box. That means something that's not usual or atypical. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I undertook this trip during mid-June as the core area of the park remained open for the public as well as temperatures were soaring high and hence it was predicted to be the ideal time for sighting the ferocious tigers. So as you all can see, we have used a range of adjectives here. Soaring high means extremely high. That means it was scorching hot at that time. Sighting means viewing and ferocious means scary. So we have used a range of good adjectives here instead of using common words. And all these will enhance our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I went there with my family members and enjoyed the adventurous open jeep ride amidst the lush green surroundings in the national park, along with the added excitement of viewing a wide range of flora and fauna in their natural habitats. So, flora and fauna means plants and animals. It's a synonym for saying plants and animals. Habitat means the environment in which a living organism is naturally found. Alright, so we have answered the first three questions, which is what holiday it was, who you were with, and what you did. The last question, which is explain why it was unusual, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I spent a couple of nights at a nearby resort located amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature and heard voices of different animals at night, including roaring of tigers, compelling us to spend sleepless nights and made the trip even more atypical. So, tranquil means calm or serene. Compelling means to force, and atypical is another way of saying unusual. So, we avoided repeating the word that was already in the question and used a synonym instead of that. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.